program, which is an initiative by the president, and this is an initiative that is basically in the institutions and where we do the trainings on the online space, what they can do in the online space, the works that are available. We give them mentorship, we all them until they are able to get the online jobs. We have what we call collaborator training, so we go to the specific communities and all the trainings there and train them, then transition them to mentorship, and we've seen that transforming their lives because most of these people are unemployed. So once we give them these skills, they are able to make something from the online space and actually benefit from it. So once someone starts the training, after like 2 weeks, it is very possible for someone to start making something from online space, and the categories are very wide. So once they get trained, they start earning depending on their effort. So it depends on how best you are able to convince a client that they can give you that particular job.
Najifunza na ajira, imenisaidia kupata kazi, like nimetrain online crypto, imenisaidia kupata pesa na kulipia studies zangu.
After campus kupata kazi ilikuwa ngumu kidogo, and so I heard about Ajira Center, training center here in Mbeu South. I came for training in transcription. After transcription, I got a job as a legal transcriber with judiciary. And later on, I was able to open my own Good Transcript account where I earn my